How to set required password after screensaver begins or display is turned off on MacBook Air. And okay guys, sir, in your MacBook Air, okay, go to System Settings. Here in System Settings on left side, go to Lock Screen. In lock screen, you can see here the required password after screensaver begins or display is turned off. And the required password after screensaver begins or display is turned off is set into 5 minutes. And okay, you can change or set this by clicking the arrow up and down button on the right side and you can see the option. So you can set the required password after screensaver begins or display is turned off into immediately, after 5 seconds, after 1 minute, after 5 minutes, after 15 minutes, after 1 hour, after 4 hours, after 8 hours, or you can set into never. So I decide to set the required password after screensaver begins or display is turned off into 1 hour. So okay guys, the pop-up are show and enter your password to allow this. And okay, you can click or select the modify settings. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully set the required password after screensaver begins or display is turned off on MacBook Air.